Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. So here I would like to share what happened under cell cycle, and most important thing, what is the right term to call the structure on the bottom there. As you can see, there is chromatin, there is chromosome. When to call this? Okay, so briefly, actually we assume that, let's say we assume that every cell cycle took around 100 seconds. So for the first 90 seconds, the cell carries out interface. Okay, so what does the interface do to the cell? Actually, the cell is doing the preparation for what? Prepare for what? For the next important process, which is cell division. As you know, cell division is divided into two types. The first one is mitosis, second one is meiosis, and don't forget about the cytokinesis. Okay, all right. So under this interface, as you know, interface takes around 90 seconds. It's a very long time compared to the cell division. So what are the processes happen under this interface? Okay, before that I must load this one. Okay, I'm going to scribble a little bit so you can see better. So the first one, under this interface, what happened? Very long, right? 90 seconds. So G1 happened first. Growth. What does it mean? The cell grows enlarge. Okay, and then it also multiplies the number of organelles. It generates more energy. For what all this? Actually, preparation for cell division, because cell division needs a lot of energy, a lot of protein, and enzyme will be involved. Okay, so another important thing that you have to remember, other than the growth thing, okay, this structure, this fine long structure, okay, it's like a stroke. Okay, just it resembles like a thread, maybe one strand of a thread, or your hair maybe. Okay, so it is very important for you to see the development of this structure, chromatin. We call it chromatin, long and fine structure. Okay, you must remember this. Okay, the second phase is phase. Okay, what happened here actually? DNA replicates, chromatin duplicates. What does it mean? Duplicate mean it make another copy. So it just makes sense if you look at this structure here, chromatin, but now it has another copy that intersect the first long fine structure. Okay, so it is like a cross. Just now it is like a strand of hair. Now there are two strands of hair that intersect in the middle. Okay, just like that X, you remember that. So this shows that the chromatin undergoes duplication. Okay, next phase, G2. Don't worry about this phase because it is similar, but basically it is a repetition of G1. Okay, it is similar growth of the cell. Okay, now I want you to pay attention to this structure again. Chromatin, still called chromatin because all these three under the interface. Okay, and the structure remain the same, remain in the shape of X. Okay, now a more important thing is you look at cell division. Okay, the structure here has changed. Now we call it chromosome. Okay, it becomes shorter and thicker structure. So under this cell division, as you know already, I mentioned about this one and this one. So that's it. Thank you so much.